Hi Rajesh sir, good morning. Welcome to the show again, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, good morning, Jignesh. Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we were all curious. You're reading about Reliance AGM and how is the stock price right now? There were mixed reactions. So we were just wondering, what is your view, sir?
So, Jignesh, if we look at the setup for Reliance, so long-term setup is positive. And before the AGM, lot of hype was created amongst the participants that lot many announcement will come and then prices may move up further higher because stock was trading near to its all-time high trajectory. So whenever some stock moves near to its all-time high trajectory before some major event or many major event is going to unfold, so generally there is a belief that that stock will surpass its previous high, and then we might see another new high for the stock. So that's a normal behavior for a market always. So, but this time, post AGM, we have seen that some bit of profit taking has been done in the stock, and almost stocks corrected from the level of 2250, 2260 level to all the way to 2100 level. Even it has marked the low of around 2080 on the intraday basis also. But looking at the long-term setup for the stock, it's in if I evaluate the chart based on its last 4-5 month move, so it's still stock is in broader consolidation, and the range for consolidation is 2350, and on the lower band for this consolidation is at around 1850. So it's almost we can see almost 400-500 point consolidation range is there for the stock since last 5-6 month at least. So this 5-6 month move is itself is suggesting that stock is doing its a healthy consolidation, and once we able to cross about 2350 level, then we might see further higher target towards 2600, 2700, or even 2800 kind of target from that breakout level. But till the time breakout is not happening, so one should use dips as a buying opportunity. So looking at the daily chart, the 50-day simple moving average is at around 2050. Even 200-day moving average is also coincide with the 50-day moving average at 2050 level. So both the moving averages is now at same level of 2050 level. So for Reliance, on the near term basis, 2050 should act as a major support area for this corrective action, and those who wants to take uh, 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 those who wants to buy the stock, they can start buying the stock. Those who are still waiting to buy the stock, they can start buying the stock, because uh, anytime we can see some bit of reversal, because always large cap stock generally take support from its 50-day or 200-day moving average, and almost 50-day and 200 moving averages quoting at around 2050 level. So there is a high probability that Reliance can give some bounce action from these level. But on the higher side, 2250, 2350 are the key resistance area. So till the time Reliance not able to cross about 2350 level, one should use these dips as a buying opportunity, take advantage of this consolidation. Again, it's a range bound move. 22050 to 2250 would be the range which we are expecting for coming time. So this 200 point range you can play in the near term basis. But those who wants to buy the stock for long term, they can buy and accumulate the stock, because on the long term chart we are seeing that bullishness is there, and sooner or later the stock is going to break about 2350, and once this breakout will happen, so we might see target of 2800 also for the Reliance. So buy on dips should be the strategy one should adopt in the Reliance at the current juncture.
Right, sir. So, in a nutshell, if I were to ask you, it's a thumbs up from here on. And
Yes,
one,
yes.
okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, one should keep this stock for the long-term investment perspective and for their long-term investment portfolio also.
Correct. And it's also relatively better bet for traders
Yes,
from a
yes. For
volume
traders
perspective.
also, you get the opportunity because stock during the month itself it gives 100 point up or down move swing kind of opportunity we always get in the Reliance. So it's a good stock for the traders also, because when you know the long-term trend for any stock is in bullish side, so these dips should be used as a buying opportunity for trading also, because stock is available near to its important support area of 2050, and which is, just 50 rupees from the current level, almost 2.5% kind of stop loss you can adopt, and another opportunity of 5 to 8% you can make from the current level. And the Nifty is also, in the bullish territory, and Reliance is a heavyweight large cap stock, and it is always supportive to the indices. So when the Nifty is in bullish territory, stock long-term trend is in the bullish territory, stock is available near to its important support area. So it's an ideal condition to buy the stock, to take a trade on the long side, because risk to reward is favorable for the stock.
Right, sir. Sir, from a derivative data perspective, is there anything that you can put more light?
So, when we were analyzing the data, so the major call writing activity is at around 2300. That is very safe call writing, which is already taken place in the stock data itself. For 2300, 2200 call writers are active as of now. And on the put side, 2000 strike put writers are very active. So looking at the data, it clearly suggests that, stock is not going to go below 2000 level in the near-term basis, as well as until unless any major negative comes for the stock or for the market, then only it will break the 2000 level. So almost, put writers are making that base around 2000 level, and call writers are still expecting that, that stock is going to remain in the range, because, before AGM stock is corrected from the 2250 level. So most of the call writers, those who are aggressive call writer, they are writing 2200 call writing, and those who are safe call writer, they are writing on 2300 strike. So the call and put data is still suggesting that 2000 to 2300 would be the range for the Reliance, and the same technical setup is also suggesting that this is the range for the stock for on since last 5 6 months. So same behavior we are expecting in the stock, and same kind of range bound move we are expecting in the Reliance in the near term basis also.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. It's always a pleasure talking to you, and a very knowledgeable experience that you have. If you are sharing with our viewers, they really get help. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you.